Hello, the Chef George from the Events by George Catering Company. Today let's cook fish fillet monte toro. It's the popular recipe in Cuba. Ingredients for the fish fillet monte toro. We can use fish fillet, all-base seasoning, my favorite for the fish, salt, cheese. You can use any kind of fish that you prefer. I use now Swiss cheese, but you can use any kind. Flour, breadcrumbs, and fresh eggs. We start seasoning the fish. We put salt and all-base seasoning. We start to put cheese on top of one of the fish fillet. Okay? And cover with the other fillet. We put our fish fillet in flour. We start the flours for both sides because we need to bread it, the fish. Okay, very good. Okay, and it's ready. We put in eggs now, like this, like this, very nice. Put in eggs all like this. And finally, breadcrumbs. Now is the most important moment, like this. Breadcrumbs from everywhere. It's ready to fry and finish. It's ready to fry. We put in the fry pan with vegetable oil and we fry for both sides. Little by little. This plate is delicious. And in Cuba, the people love that, because the red snapper in Cuba is very popular and the people love it. When it's ready, for one side, we flip up it from the other side. And look how beautiful. Now, we're cooking from the other side now. This is the final result for the fish fillet, monte toro. It's beautiful recipe, and in Cuba, the people love that because the red snapper in Cuba is very popular and the people love it. I hope that you enjoy, like, share. Your comments always very important for us. We make any kind of event with any kind of food. Thank you so much.